Sekta ya uthondeki wa irio cia mahiu bururi-ini ihatikaine ya kuhaguka kuumana na ngarama ya iguru ya indo iria ihuthikaga guthondeka irio cia mahiu. Niguo kugitira sekta ino, kiama kia andu aria mathondekaga irio cia mahiu ni giikitie ihoya kuri thirikari gwitikiria thogora ya irio cia GMO makiria mbembe na mboco cia soya.
Soya and sunflower and maize, that is the biggest problem that we are experiencing. Kg of soya last year, a time like this, it was being sold at 65 shillings. Currently it's 120, so it's almost double the amount.
Looking around, you can only get adequate maize and soya from GMO producing countries. That is like South Africa, America and the like.
John Gathogora ni abitha munene kiama-ini giki oigite mukana wa kugiria thogora ya magetha ma GMO wagathikirwo mwaka-ini wa 2012 undu uria uthinekanitio uthondeki wa irio cia mahiu.
We are asking the government to allow us to do so is because it is known that those countries that are producing GMO, they are able to produce at a lower cost, which means that it will land here at a lower cost that will actually be passed on to the farmer.
The start of March going for less than 2,000 or about 2,000 there. Right now, the start of March is about, some will go to 3,800, others 4,000. So if you think about from 2019 to now, we're talking of almost double.
Ni thogora wa iguru wa irio cia mahiu abitha uyu ni ongereire makiria ma iganda 50 ni ihingitwo guku arimi magiteaniria urimi wao.
And I think that is the only way that actually the farmers could actually take advantage or be competitive enough, because as we speak now, farmers actually leaving actually the enterprises and actually they don't have anything else to lean on.
We came from 3,000 birds to about 200. So, and these 200 was actually to sustain these structures, because these structures, when they are idle, you can see what is happening with termites. Okay.
We started the cooperative, we were like 200 members. Currently we are 700. The active members are now like 200 members, because like 500 members have pushed or have moved out.
Christopher Maina na Zakari Munyambu kuma Kiambu ni amwe arimi aria matiganeirie urimi ni thogora wa iguru cia mahiu guthie na mbere kwambatira.
The old chick used to go at 80 shillings. Currently it's going at 130. So there is an increment of 50 shillings per bird. If you are doing, for example, 1,000 birds, that is an increment of 50,000 shillings. So most of the farmers have pulled out.
Last week, when I realized these structures will actually fall, and we are saying now will be another 2 million, 3 million loss. When these structures go down, I decided to bring about 200 birds just to keep the termites away.
Reportera Kameme TV, Getau Wawajiku.